Hi guys, welcome to my channel Heartfulness Sound. So today I'm going to talk about with you like criticism and how to deal with it. So I'm just sitting here and I've just noted down some points to share with you. And let's start with the video. From my point of view, criticism is to disrespect someone intentionally to make them feel bad or low. Criticism is of two types actually, good criticism and bad criticism. So let's talk about the good criticism. In good criticism, here's someone criticizing you, insulting you to motivate you, right? That means our parents, our brother, sister, they scold you or or insult you not doing this. This criticism is for your own benefit. So this type of criticism is good to get from your parents, elder, etc. But not from someone who is jealous of you or insulting you intentionally. Be smart enough to please be smart enough to recognize you who is in on your side or who is just insulting you without just to make himself or herself better. Let's talk about the bad criticism. This type of bad criticism means which hurt you, which makes you feel disgust about yourself. Example, your co-workers, yeah, selfish senior intentionally criticizing you to make you feel bad and insult you. Hurt outsiders insult you, criticize you to make feel about yourself, I mean themselves, yeah, they want to feel good about themselves, that's why they hurt you and intentionally just make you feel like bad about yourself so they can be satisfied from inside. Actually these type of people are already sad inside, that's why they insult you so that they can be happy that yeah, I have insulted this person, now I am be happy. Anyways, there are many people I have seen in my life, not many people, I won't say many people, like from the past 1 year I would say I have seen some people who has been like criticizing me without any reason. I've been respecting these are people like thinking of they are maybe like they are not elder, I would say they are like actually they are from my age only. Anything, if any elder will criticize me, my parents or my senior or my brother, elder brother, my sister, I will never take it as a criticism, I will take it that as a motivational something, like I will learn from that. But people who are from my age, if they insult me, I will take it as a like they're like I will think about it like what they are saying. But after some time when I will get to know that they are insulting me without any reason, just because to make themselves feel better or whatever, I'm not going to take it anymore. So I mean, you must be having some people in your life who will be criticizing you without any reason. So anyways, let's talk about how to deal with criticism. First, just listen what the person is saying and why is he or she criticizing you. If you think that you can improve with it, and if he is criticizing you without any reason, just to make himself better and all that, then it's better to simply ignore that person. Yes, just ignore. If you think that person is whatever he is saying useless, and that means he's just saying it for his concern, I mean that if you think that whatever that person is insulting you about it's just stupid, then totally ignore. First step is to ignore that type of person. The best thing I do is that only ignore the criticizers, the people who insult you, who makes you feel down, who demotivate you. Just totally ignore these type of people because you are right. Okay, second point is to be confident. Yes, one should be confident in every situation. If you think the person is criticizing you without any reason just to hurt you, like his motives are bad, then be confident in that situation and be polite and let the person know that his words doesn't hurt you. Okay, just be polite and talk to him like normally, just like his words are not even hurting you, it's okay, just let it go, learn from that thing. After that, my third point is talk to the person kindly. yeah, if the criticism is hurting you and you're like emotional type of person, which I also, I was used to be like, after now I was like, I don't know. Anyways, if you're a person who is very emotional, you can't take criticism, and if you think this type of thing hurting you, you can't sleep at night, you're just thinking about that only, and that this person has criticized you and all this thing, then the simple solution is, first step I have told you, ignore, or be confident after that. And third is to just talk to that person. Yeah, kindly talk to that person. If the criticism is hurting you, you're feeling sad, then just talk to the person politely, but never let him know that his words hurt you. Else he, just talk to the person confidently that, listen please, I don't like this type of thing you talk about me. I don't think you should talk about me, about in this way to me. What I have done, you can tell me, and like this, in a polite manner. What I want to say is, don't let that person know that his criticism is demotivating you. That okay, else he will hurt you more. Just have normal conversation that he should not criticize you without any reason. What happened if you will let him know na, that your criticism is hurting me, oh I'm so emotional person, please don't insult me, I'm so please blah blah. Then what do you think, that person will you stop hurting you, or stop criticizing? No, he will criticize you more, and he will just take over you. There are very less people in this world who will not criticize you if you will talk to them. Like, there are two type of person, okay? There are two type of person, okay? First is, if you talk to him that your criticism, you are criticizing me, it's, I don't like it, it makes me emotionally feel bad, I can eat, I can sleep, please don't criticize me please, and all thing. This type of person will maybe think that, okay, I should not do this, or maybe he will feel sad about himself, and maybe he will not criticize you in future. But the other type of person, when he will come to know about this, that his words are hurting you, then he will be like, okay, let's hurt this person again. So he will start hurting you again, and you will be like, gone. So it's better to just talk to him politely, but don't let him know that his words are like making you feel sad. Okay, the last point is to be strong, and be strong, and not to be so sensitive. Life is tough, you need to be strong. This is Kal Yog, you know. But remember, karma, don't worry. Karma, karma, you can search it on internet also. The people who do bad with others, they get back that only. I think more than that they get. So if someone is hurting you, intentionally criticizing you or making you feel down, then he will also get the same thing. He will not be spared by the God. So please don't worry, but please be strong, and just don't let the criticizer know that you are hurt or this type of thing. Otherwise he will just face the criticism. Once you have started to learn how to face this type of people, now you will never be afraid of this type of people in your like life. So yeah, so yeah, this was the video. I hope you have liked the video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below if you like the video. Any suggestions you want to give me, then you are welcome. And do check out my channel for more videos on cooking, beauty, hairstyle, haircare, and my daily life vlogs. And I'll see you in next video, and till then, bye bye, and stay blessed and be happy, be confident. Confidence is the best thing. I mean, this is the main thing. Be confident, be strong, and be happy always. Think positive, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos and do check out my channel also for more videos, and on cooking, beauty, and whatever. And follow me on Instagram, heartfulness_om. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.